So to remove this, there's that bolt, another bolt. So let me show you. With a bolt right there. Remove this, and there's a bolt behind that. So it's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 brown plug and 1 blue plug down there. Okay? Alright, so now you know how to remove it, right? And then there's a clip. This brown clip right here. I mean, it's plastic, it's not brown, but it's a clear plastic clip. I'm sorry for my horrible recording, like I said, but see where my white mark is at right there? That enabled me to reinstall this cable right where it's supposed to be. Okay, right where it's supposed to be. So, alright, so that's how you pull the damn thing out. That thing right there, I measured it. Once I measured it and I marked once I marked it rather, we got to see my mark. Oh, this is just so horrible. It's not clear enough. It's not clear enough. But yeah, that's where I marked it at. That's where I marked it at. So I marked it right there on the threads. Alright. That's how you remove it. And look, that's back in there.